Hi and welcome to a Sonifex product unboxing video. Today we're opening one of the very portable and very useful AVN-DIO series, the AVN-DIO03. This is a high dynamic range Dante and AES67 audio over IP network headphones interface with a built-in limiter. There's some nice clear labelling on the top panel, which means you can easily see which end everything plugs in and where the controls are without going hunting for them. And here are fixing holes in the base for mounting it in a rack space or on a desk or anywhere else you want it to go. At this end we have the network connection. It'll take a normal Ethernet RJ45 type connector or one of the Nitric Ethercon connectors. It also uses power over Ethernet, so you don't need an extra power connection. You just plug in the network cable and the unit is powered and ready to go. Around the front we have the headphone sockets and the headphones and limiter controls. There's a nicely resistant and smooth volume control. And here is a preset type control for the limiter threshold, next to an on-off toggle switch, also for the limiter, with a bright blue LED to let you know it's engaged. The headphone sockets are 1/4 inch and 3.5mm jack types, both with the same signal on, so you can choose either, depending on your headphones. This folded sheet is the user guide. Here are the details of the 2-year extended warranty you get with product registration. The rest deals with plugging the unit into the network and routing audio in Dante controller. That's it. This was the Sonifex AVN-DIO03 Dante headphones interface, part of the bigger and very useful Sonifex AVN-DIO line of Dante interfaces. Thank you and see you again soon.